Myself S.C. Pandey, PGT Biology from Tagore Public School, Surajgarh. As you welcome in biology lecture, today the important and very interesting topic I want to tell you, that is the sterilization. That is the sterilization and MTP. First of all, what is sterilization? Sterilization is a सर्जिकल मेथड ऑफ कंट्रासेप्शन कहा जाता है. बाय सर्जरी वास डिफरेंस को कट करके टाइट किया जाए, जिसे वेसिक्टोमी कहते हैं. और वेसिक्टोमी विच अकर इन द मेल, वेसिक्टोमी अकर इन द मेल, एंड इन दिस केस the vas difference, this is vas difference here in the male reproductive system. This structure is vas difference. When vas difference cut and tied, then this is called a vasectomy in the male. But in case of female, tubectomy occur. In the tubectomy, as you know, this is the female reproductive system in which this part is called as fallopian tube. So in the tubectomy, fallopian tube cut and tied. Fallopian tube cut and tied. What happened when fallopian tube cut and tied? As the sperm which reaches here, sperm which reaches in the fallopian tube from the uterine duct. This is the uterine duct from which sperm reaches in the fallopian tube. These are sperms. And sperms, these are called as male gamete. Sperms which reaches in the fallopian tube from the uterine duct. Here the ovum which generally released and present in the fallopian tube broad part called as infundibulum. Then it reaches to the ampulla part. From this, it reaches to the isthmus part. But the sperm and ovum which is considered as female gamete, ovum can't meet with the sperm. When ovum can't meet with the sperm, it means no fertilization, and if no fertilization, then no chance of implantation and pregnancy. So this is the permanent method of contraception, because if fallopian tube has cut in the female and tied by the thread, then no chance of fusion of male gamete sperm with the female gamete ooted in the fallopian tube, because this is a break occur where the sperm is at one side from the uterine duct. It reaches in the fallopian tube, but here from the ovary, if the ovum released, then accepted by this fimbriary part into the broader part of the fallopian tube called as infundibulum. This broader part called as infundibulum part. So this infundibulum, when takes the ovum as in the form of secondary oocyte, then it transfers the ovum towards the ampulla. Here this part is called as ampulla and the narrow part is called as isthmus. This part is isthmus. Here in the isthmus part of fallopian tube fertilization occur. But if the fallopian tube has cut and died, no chance of fertilization in the female. So fallopian tube cut and died. This is called tubectomy. It occurs in the female. And the vas deferens cut and died. This is vas deferens. Here vas deferens has cut by the seizure and died. So the sperm which is generally present in the vas deferens here. These are sperms. So these sperms which present in the vas deferens, generally this sperm do not reaches in the part here. This is called as seminal vesicle. This is called as seminal vesicle, from which the sperm reaches in the urethra part. So sperm can't ejaculate from the penis and no chance of the fusion of sperm with the ovum take place, because sperms or semen which collected in the seminal vesicle which contain sperm do not comes out from the urethral pore. This is the urethral pore, and from the urethral pore, if semen do not comes out in the male, then the no chance of fusion of sperm with the ovum. So the sterilization, which is also called as permanent method of contraception, sterilization also called as permanent method of contraception. As in case of male, it is called as vasectomy, in which vas deferens has cut and died. But in case of female, sterilization is called as tubectomy, where fallopian tube cut and died. So no chance of fusion of or the sperm does not meet with the ovum in the fallopian tube. So these are the very important steps in the sterilization process, which is also called as permanent contraception. Sterilization also called as permanent contraception. Permanent contraception are the another name of permanent contraception in such case where the use of the seizure take place. Then this is also called as surgical method. This is also called as surgical method of the contraception. Surgical method of the contraception. Surgical method of contraception is called as sterilization. So the permanent contraception term has given, because if in the male human, if vas deferens has cut and died, then sperm do not reach in the seminal vesicle where semen collected and reaches in the urethra and comes out from the urethral pore outside. This is called ejaculation. But if semen do not reaches in the seminal vesicle, no chance of ejaculation, and it prevents the insemination in the vagina of the female. So, no chance of fertilization and pregnancy. That is why vasectomy is called as permanent method of contraception. Likewise, tubectomy also considered as permanent contraception or surgical method of contraception, because by the help of seizure, fallopian tube has cut here and tied. So, no chance of fusion of sperm with the ovum. Ovum means ooted or female gamete. Then, no fertilization. So, no chance of pregnancy. That is why tubectomy also a good example of permanent contraception, and it is also called as surgical method of contraception. So, sterilization also called as surgical method of contraception, and which are of two types. As in case of male, it is vasectomy. Here diagram has been maintained for vasectomy, in which the vas difference cut and tied, and in case of tubectomy, fallopian tube cut and tied. So in this way, generally the completion of the sterilization steps occur in the human. After telling you about the sterilization, I will tell you about the MTP. Here, MTP generally as extent of MTP is medical termination of pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy is the extent of MTP. MTP full name is medical termination of pregnancy. The condition for MTP, it means when MTP occur, in the female, as main important condition is for MTP, as in case of rape. Second important condition in which MTP occur is in the case of unwanted offspring. Unwanted offspring, MTP also occur. This is second condition. As first condition in case of rape, so MTP required. But sometimes if the continued parturition year by year occur in the female, then a condition arises, weakness in the body of the mother, weakness in the body of the female which carry the fetus. and sometimes much weakness occur in the female, so doctor advise to MTP. In such condition, the unwanted offspring MTP occur. MTP occur. Like as first case, in case of rape, MTP occur. And third condition in which MTP occur, that is in the case of genetic disorder. Genetic disorder in the fetus. In the fetus or in the embryo. Fourth condition for MTP. Sometimes as MTP occur when the use of barrier means contraception. Use of contraception failed. So MTP occur. These are the conditions in which MTP occur. And fifth condition, sometimes mother suffering from the STD like AIDS, then MTP occur. It means at that time also medical termination of pregnancy take place. And what is the sense of medical termination of pregnancy? It means as forcible abortion occur before full time. This is called medical termination of pregnancy. Due to the MTP, every year about 45 to 50 millions MTP occur. Every year in the world. About 45 to 50 million MTP occur every year in the world, which is about 1/5 of total 1/5 of total abortion here. Sometimes the total of parturition also. But seeing the condition, sometime by the help of amniocentesis practice. Here, a practice by amniocentesis, the amniotic fluid as fetus cells in it, which detect the sex of fetus. In case of female fetus or in case of female foeticide, the number of female per 1000 male ratio decreases. This is the abuse of the amniocentesis. This is the abuse of the amniocentesis. Here, if the MTP occur in case of STDs like AIDS, so it is better for the health of mother and next generation also. If MTP occur when the barriers used by the couple as contraception was held, so MTP occur. But in case of genetic disorder, sometimes in case of genetic disorder like Klinefelter syndrome or Turner syndrome or Down syndrome and sometimes Edwards syndrome. Such type of syndrome condition, which is called as genetic disorder in the embryo, MTP occur. In the case of unwanted offspring by the mother, MTP occur. And most important thing, in case of rape, MTP occur. But if by the amniocentesis, a type of practice, by the taking amniotic fluid, fetus cells which generally found in the amniotic fluid, and by the help of a special syringe which reaches in the amniotic fluid, by the expert physician and this amniotic fluid later on tested, and if it shows the female fetus developing in the mother womb, then mostly female foeticide take place, and female foeticide result the female number in the or among the 1000 male ratio decreases. Male and female ratio decreases gradually. So it is the abuse of the amniocentesis practice. Here the question arises, when seeing such cases, Government of India established MTP. So MTP established in 1971. MTP established in 1971 by Government of India. MTP established in 1971 by Government of India. So MTP are medical termination of pregnancy, which generally occur in such type of conditions. These are the conditions for MTP as explained by this point, and MTP every year occur in the world. These are 45 to 50 millions. 45 to 50 millions MTP occurs every year in the world, which is about 1/5 of total parturition mostly, and it is established in 1971 by Government of India. In this way, I have explained the sterilization and MTP in detail, as MTP is a type of relaxation in the parent for unwanted pregnancy. For the case of genetic disorder, I have told you different types of genetic disorder, like Klinefelter syndrome, in which the chromosome number as notice 47 instead of 46. So due to the genetic disorder, MTP required. These are the few conditions which explained by me. Again see you. Now please share, subscribe, and generally you like my channel Super Classes. Thanks.